Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to loop through a directory and then we're going to save the directory entries into lists. Okay, so first of all we're going to import time, and now we're going to import the OS module, OS here. We're going to create a path, so I'm going to go for C:/users/mark/documents. Okay, this is the path on my computer. This won't be the same on your computer, so you will have to find the path on your computer, or else this piece of code won't work for you. Okay, I'm going to create a list called root dirs, which is root directories, is equal here, that's empty, and we're going to do root files. It's going to be empty. Okay, now we're going to create the first function called loop directory. This is the first function here. We're going to do for root dirs, which is directories, files in Os.walk, and this is path. And remember, I'm working in Windows. If you're doing this on Linux or Mac, this is going to be different here, the Os.walk, so you're going to have to do a little bit of research on that yourself, because I'm not sure offhand, because at the moment I'm only working in Windows, so you're going to have to look that up, because Os.walk I don't think will work on a Linux platform or on a Mac platform. Okay, so root dirs here, root directories dot append to the root. Okay, so we're going to append the root directories into the root. Okay, root dirs dot extend directories and root files dot extend files. Okay, so there you go. Print out a little bit of info to the user so they know what's going on. And I think I'll write something like checking root dirs and root files lists. Okay. I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause here so it looks like it's actually working. So I'm going to use the sleep here. I'm going to give it a pause for 1 second there before I go on to the next subroutine. And this next subroutine is going to be called check lists. So we're going to check, make sure that all this information went into the lists. Check lists, and I'm going to create the checklists function here. So this is going to be create the function check lists. Okay, print root dirs, which is the one up here. Let's have a look. What have I done there? Made a mistake. Root dirs, root directories. Okay, print root files. Okay. And all we have to do is call the program, so we call it loop directory. Loop directory. And then save it and run it, and cross my fingers, make sure I've not made any typos there. So I want to give this a little bit of a pause here, so I'm going to do time.sleep. Give it a pause of 1 second. Time.sleep 1 second. Let's just have a look at this. Let's just run the program. It should go through my documents there. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Bob's your uncle. And Fanny is your auntie. Checking the root directories, going all the way through there, and we're just running it over and over and over again. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.